Warren Buffett's best investing lessons. Warren Buffett is often called the Oracle of Omaha, and for good reason. Over the past several decades, he's built one of the most successful investing records in history. But what's truly remarkable is that Buffett's wisdom is simple, timeless, and surprisingly easy to understand if we listen closely. Lesson 1. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Buffett's most famous advice is also his most misunderstood. It's not about gambling during market crashes. It's about patience and courage. When everyone else is chasing the latest hot stock, Buffett steps back. And when the headlines scream panic, he quietly goes shopping for bargains. This is how fortunes are built, by staying calm when the crowd loses its head. Lesson 2. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. A cheap stock is not automatically a good deal. Buffett teaches us to look deeper, to see the true value of a business. Ask yourself, does this company have strong earnings? A durable advantage? If the answer is yes, then the right moment to buy is when the market offers it at a discount. Think like a shopper waiting for a sale, but for businesses, not clothes. Lesson 3. Our favorite holding period is forever. Buffett doesn't trade in and out of the market every week. He finds a business he believes in and holds it for years, sometimes decades. Why? Because great companies grow, and as they grow, your investment grows with them. Compounding, the snowball effect, works only if you let it roll long enough. Lesson 4. It's better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Many investors get stuck chasing cheap companies. Buffett prefers quality. A great business with loyal customers and steady growth is worth paying a fair price for, because it will reward you again and again. Buffett's genius isn't in predicting the future. It's in following timeless principles, resisting the noise, and letting patience do the heavy lifting. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Investing is not about beating others at their game. It's about controlling yourself at your own game.